Greetings and welcome to the module 3 titled Electrochemistry. The objective of the session is to learn about the introduction, that is the basics of electrochemistry. At the end of the session, the learners will be able to classify the difference between the electrodics and ionics, which is considered as a modern electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with the chemical applications of electricity. Electrochemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with the chemical applications of electricity. We are having electrochemistry deals with the chemical reactions produced by passing electric current through an electrolyte, which is called electrolytic cell, or the production of electric current through chemical reactions, which is called as electrochemical cell. I repeat, in other words, electrolytic cell is one where electrical energy is converting into chemical energy, whereas electrochemical cell is one where chemical energy is converting into electrical energy. I repeat, electrolytic cell is one where electrical energy is converting into chemical energy. Electrochemical cell is one where chemical energy is converting into electrical energy. We are having one doubt about the electrochemistry and its relation with physical chemistry. Physical chemistry is having various branches which you people might have come across in your graduation. But in this particular slide, the electrochemistry embraces the interaction between the electric current and material. See, the flow of ions is current and the dissolved state salt is taken as material. Hence, it is embracing between two large areas of physics and chemistry. It is taken in the physical chemistry. And this is the chart which shows how the physical chemistry is relating to the electrochemistry, and the electrochemistry that in turn classify into two, that is ionics and electrodics, which we are going to see in the next slide. The ionics, it is a branch of physical chemistry of ionically conducting solutions. It is the branch of physical chemistry of ionically conducting solutions. The physical chemistry of electrically charged interfaces are called as electrodics. Ionics concerns ions in solutions and in liquids arising from melting solids composed of ions, whereas electrodics concerns the region between the electronic and the ionic conductor and the transfer of electric charges across it. Let us see in the diagram. This is the electrode. Adjacent to the electrodes, we are having some charges. That is, the electrode is undergoing, consider the electrode is undergoing oxidation. The positive ions are moving in the solution, whereas the electrons are staying on the surface. So this electron transfer at interface is electrodics. Whereas due to the influence of current at the electrode, the ions are moving towards or moving away from the solution, that is from the electrode, is considered as a ionics. This is mass transport. Hence, electron transfer at interface is taken as electrodics. It is a branch of advanced electrochemistry. And another advanced electrochemistry branch is ionics, where the mass transfer used to take place. In this particular semester, you will going to study the electron transfer at interface, that is electrodics. That is electrodics. In your previous semesters, you people might have studied the mass transport, that is ionics. But here in this particular semester, you will going to study about the electron transfer at interface. See, if you look upon the same Daniell cell, here the zinc sulfate ions, which is produced out of the reduction of zinc electrode at the anodic compartment, is moving, will going to move into the solution, whereas the copper ions which is present in the solution will going to move towards the electrode, here move away from the electrode. Zinc ions move away from the electrodes here, and this movement of ions is considered as ionics, which we will not going to see. You people might have studied. Whereas what really is happening at the interface of electrode, interface means between the electrode and the electrolytic solution, that is considered as electrodics. I hope you people might have understood. Electrodics is a area between the electrode and the electrolytic solution, which is very close to, that is called as interface. We will going to study in detail about the electrode electrolyte interface in our next module. Thanks for your active participation. Kindly attend the Google Meet platform for clarification. Thank you one and all.